Are you looking for a ready-made digital business that can start making you passive income from day one? Then welcome to this review of Coloring Store Fortune, a complete, done-for-you online store packed with 10,000 plus printable coloring pages that are ready to sell. With Coloring Store Fortune, you get a fully designed WordPress e-commerce site that comes preloaded with beautiful, high-demand coloring page bundles. These include themes like animals, mandalas, holidays, nature, fantasy, kids' activities, and so much more. No need to create or design anything from scratch. It's already done for you. The best part? It's powered by WordPress and WooCommerce, which means you own 100% of your store and keep 100% of the profits. There are no ongoing fees or revenue sharing. It's your digital asset, fully under your control. You can install the full site on your WordPress hosting in just a few minutes using free tools like all-in-one WP Migration or WP Vivid. Once installed, just customize the store with your name, logo, and brand colors, and start selling immediately. Not only do you get a massive library of 10,000 plus products, but you also receive ready-made promotional materials like banners, social media graphics, and ad creatives. These assets make it super easy to start marketing your store on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and even Etsy. Coloring is a massive and growing niche. From kids to adults looking for mindfulness and stress relief, printable coloring pages are always in demand. And since you're selling digital files, there are no shipping costs, no packaging, and no inventory management. It's 100% digital, 100% scalable. This business is perfect for bloggers, affiliate marketers, stay-at-home parents, educators, and anyone who wants to earn money online without complicated setup. Whether you're looking to build your first online store or add another passive income stream to your portfolio, Coloring Store Fortune makes it incredibly easy. Let's quickly recap the benefits. You get a 100% done-for-you coloring page store. Over 10,000 ready-to-sell digital products included. Built on WordPress plus WooCommerce for full control. Easy setup in under 10 minutes. No design or tech skills needed. Keep 100% of the profits. Comes with full promo materials. No monthly fees, no product creation required. The only thing you need is a WordPress hosting account, which you probably already have. And if not, it costs just a few dollars a month. So if you're ready to grab your own ready-made coloring page store and start earning online, check out the link in the description below to get access now before the launch rush. This product goes live on May 29th, 2025, and early access could give you a huge first-mover advantage. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who are interested in building a profitable digital business. And don't forget to subscribe for more make money online strategies and reviews just like this.